How's it going, guys? Carl here, and today in Power BI we're going to be doing a field map visual. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're going to come over here to our build, to our visualization pane, and we're going to look for field map. So we're going to click on field map, and then we're just going to start developing here. Alright, so first things first, we see we have location, legend, latitude, longitude, and tooltips. And just keep in mind, if you don't have latitude and longitude, you gotta at least have state or country. So we do have state, so we're gonna add state into our location. And as you can see, once we do that, every state that's in our data set is gonna appear here, highlighted or filled out. Okay, so we have state there. Now we can also add the region, so this will give us the ability to see everything broken out into the specific region. And from here we'll just go ahead and format that, and we'll just take this down. All right, so first we have size and style, so we'll just drop a border and drop a shadow. Then we have our title, so this is really just showing the state and the region, so we can leave that as is. Just keep in mind, you can come here and change your font as well as your font size. And we'll go ahead to map settings, so you can change this to Arial, dark, light, or grayscale. So just keep in mind, as you change this, the regions will still be highlighted, the colors that are already there. It'll just change the way the map look. Okay, you can also add zoom buttons or lasso buttons. I'll give you the opportunity to just pause the video and explore those options if you want to. You can also turn the legend off if you don't want the legend to show, or you can just keep it on using that toggle. And also, if you want to, you can change it from the top left to the top center, and you'll be able to move your legend around. And you can get rid of this name by just getting rid of the title. You can also change the colors just by coming here and picking a new color. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a field map visual in Power BI. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.